I don't look too happy, it's because it's cold. And it's snowing. But anyway, I wanted to show you how to remove the SM465 shifter knob. Now, I sell on eBay, this shifter knob is actually in pretty good shape. This truck only has 45,000 original miles. Look at them pedals. It runs smooth. What you want to do, there's a little nut underneath here. And what you do, you put your fit-all. That's what I call these. I don't know the technical name for this tool. It's a fit-all because it's got all different sizes. All you do is twist it. It's like magic. And you want to go to tighten this way, to loosen this way. So we're going to go this way. Just like so. And you can use a wrench for this. I don't know what size wrench it is because I got a fit-all. And obviously the fit-all ain't working anymore. Oh, that is. Whoops, too big now. And then I missed the fit-all. Now, I'll knock it out of the gear. This ain't going nowhere. It's on flats. But you need to do your e-brake before you mess with this. Or put a scotch under your back tire. It's that simple. Be safe. You don't want to, you don't want to get hurt when doing this, so you need to be safe. You do. You got to be safe. You don't want to have issues like your truck rolling down the hill and you in it trying to take the gear shift knob off. Now you might ask me why I'm taking this off this truck. It's because I sell on eBay. Link in the description below. Don't know if I mentioned that, but I do. And this shifter knob is going on eBay because I don't need it. We got one on the C30. I bought this truck for parts. You know what I don't need, maybe I could sell to help someone out. Maybe you watching this video about a shifter knob and don't know how to take it off. Well, it's pretty simple. This is a lock nut, by the way. You can just screw that tighten. That's what you do. You screw it down. So I messed up. I make mistakes, but it worked. It brought it off. But anyway, what you want to do, screw this down till it's tight, just like so. Take it and tighten this bottom nut, not loosen like I did at the beginning, and that should back that lock nut off because I thought that was built onto it. It's a lock nut. I'll show you. See, lock nut. You back it off by tightening it, then it should loosen this up. I don't like the feel of those shifter knobs. I know they got like an antique feel. I just don't like it. But I'm going to sell it on eBay. I'm giving the nut with it. Ugh. Even though this is in the level and stuff, and it is on flats, we put it in gear. Safety. Boy, that was a short video. Oh, in the snow, I'm not happy. Oh, I'm gonna try to get the shifter knob on the eBay store. As I said before, it's in the description below. You know, I sell more than just car parts. If you just want to show me a little extra support, you know, they might be something I know you might want to pick up. I don't know. Don't buy anything you don't need. But anyway, it's air cleaner. It's factory. I'm going to put that on there. I don't know if it'll be today, though, because look at this. And I still got to take the trash down and do chores. I don't know. It's a part of being a grown-up. You know, you not just, you know, taking car parts off. You still got other duties to do. So thanks for watching. Get subscribed, and I'll see you next time.